guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys the rundown of the benefits of elderberry. I know it's getting a lot of popularity right now because of its immune boosting properties. So I kind of just wanted to break down why it's something we all go to when we're either feeling under the weather or we're, sickness is in the air. So I just want to give you guys that little rundown. Now, always with the benefit of series, the disclaimers, what works for me may not work for you. Always do more research, so don't just take what you hear at face value. Definitely research for you. This is not a cure-all. It is not something that is in substitute for a treatment. It's just something we like to use to keep our immune systems up, to help give us a little boost, but it's definitely not the, oh, this is the cure. No. So just wanted to put all that out there. So let's go ahead and jump into the benefits of elderberry. So from the European elder trees, Sambucus nigra is black elderberry, and Sambucus is the genus of the flowering plant, and different species of it is commonly what is called elderberry or elder. So the benefits of this flower include it is immune system booster, so it's naturally high in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, iron, and potassium. And if used within the first 48 hours of symptoms for cold and flu, can help reduce the duration of those by days. It has antioxidant properties, so it has higher levels of flavonoids than blackberries, blueberries, cranberries, and goji berries when it comes to antioxidant power. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help remedy sinus infections when it comes to like nasal passage and being inflamed. It's a natural diuretic, and it encourages healthy skin with its natural contents of bioflavonoids, antioxidants, and vitamin A. So those are just some of the benefits. Those are the main ones you find when you start to do some research into elderberry. So just how I personally use it, I use two different forms. I have a liquid and the pill form. So the liquid form I reserve for when I'm like really like feeling something in my throat, or I know I'm not feeling my best. I will get the liquid version just because it is more fast acting, since it can go right there into your system. So I like to reserve that for when I'm definitely not feeling well. The pills I like to take pretty much all the time, especially right now, but normally between mid-fall, early spring is when I take it consistently. And then like the liquid, I'll just take it when I know I'm not feeling well, or if I know there's like a bug going around like in my office or something like that. But right now I'm taking it consistently because obvious reasons. But yeah, that's pretty much how I use both of these. This is something that has been in my arsenal for years. It is one of the best herbs I found to help me stay healthy and just stay upright, and helps reduce the chances of me getting sick. So that's just how I like to use them. Another good thing is it's one of those herbs that you can take pretty much all the time, and you can increase the dosage. So most of them say take about, the minimum's about 2 or up to 4 doses a day, especially if you aren't feeling well. So it's not something that's really going to cause you problems if there is excess in your body. So that is always good. So yeah, I'll have the link to both of these products in the description box below. Definitely let me know if you guys have any questions about elderberry. I'll be glad to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when's the next time I upload. Like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!